right. The rainbow shines so very bright.
Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome back to AbcFirst Kids. Today, we have a super funny hero. It's Harry the Hippo with his giant magic hat. Are you ready to discover the letter H? Let's go! Look, look! This is big H, and this is small h. Listen to the sound! H, H, H. Wow, look at the rainbow! It's sparkling! And H is for happy. Repeat with me. H, H, H. Fantastic! H is for hippo. H, 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 hippo. Say it, hippo. H is for hat. Touch your magic hat with Harry. Hat. H is for horse. Gallop with the friendly horse. Horse. And H is for honey. Yummy, sweet, golden honey. Honey. Now let's learn how to write the letter H. One line down, another line down, and connect them in the middle. Easy. Small ch. One long line down, then go up and make a cute little hump. Wow, super job! H is for hippo. H, H, hippo. H is for hat. Wear your magic hat.
H is for horse and honey so sweet.
Sing with Harry. H, H, H. Hooray! You did an amazing job today. If you loved Harry and the letter H, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson with AbcFirst Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.